Here presenting you multiple choice questions on social process which may appear in the upcoming competitive exams. For all those who are visiting my channel for the first time, please subscribe, like, share and comment. This motivates me to keep going further and facilitate to improve your score. Let's begin. Cooperation involves common end and organized effort, differential end and organized effort, two ends and one action strategy, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is cooperation involves common end and organized efforts. Next, the activity of dash characterize cooperation. Participating in a debate, building a house, appearing in the examination, contesting the election. Except for building a house, the remaining participating in debate, appearing in the examination, contesting in the election, all these are examples of competition. Hence, the correct answer for this question is building a house, B. Next question. Celebrating of festivals, example Dashara, Eid or Janmashtami, etc. needs a group effort which symbolizes competition, conflict, cooperation. The answer for this question is cooperation. Next question. Cooperation is dash form of social interaction. Disjointed, goal-oriented, culture-specific. The answer for this question is cooperation is a goal-oriented form of social interaction. Next question. Sociologists have classified cooperation into direct and indirect type, primary, secondary and tertiary type, both the above A and B. The correct answer for this question is option B, primary, secondary and tertiary types. Next question. In modern societies, one comes across more and more of dash kind of cooperation, indirect, direct, straightforward, only competition. The correct answer for this question is indirect. In modern societies, we come across more and more of indirect kind of cooperation. Next question. The principle of division of labor refers to a situation when each individual or a group has its specified role to play. All individuals and groups perform the same task, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is each individual or group has its specialized role to perform. Hence, the correct answer for this question is option A. Next question. When the individuals and groups try to achieve scarce items from which there are many takers, it indicates the dash among them. Cooperative behavior, competitiveness, adjustment, social contact. The correct answer for this question is cooperative behavior. When individuals and groups try to achieve scarce items for which there are many takers, it indicates cooperative behavior among them. Next question. Whenever the competitors shift their interest from the objects of competition to the other competitors, it is called indirect competition, treachery, rivalry, peaceful coexistence. The correct answer for this question is rivalry. Next question. Members of a society compete with one another when more individuals applying for limited number of jobs, there are less number of individuals and more of opportunities, both of the above, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is more individuals applying for limited number of jobs. When there are more number of people applying for limited jobs, there is a competition which is existing between the members of the society. Next question. Competition is regarded as dash to progress. Hindrance, conducive, closed, contradictory. The correct answer for this answer is conducive. Competition is regarded as a conducive to progress in any given society. Next question. Competition is a struggle mainly carried at personal level, conscious level, impersonal level, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is at impersonal level. Next question. Interaction without social contact is called cooperation, competition, conflict, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is competition. Next question. A social process is characterized by only cooperation, only competition, both of the above A and B, none of the above. The correct answer for this question is both of the above. A social process is characterized by cooperation and competition, and what plays a major role depends upon the situation to situation and context to context. From the below statements, identify whether the statements are true or false. Conflict arises when the norms and values of one group comes in clash or struggle with the other. True. This statement is true. In competition, the rules are observed, but in conflict, there are no rules. The answer is true. Conflict never leads to violence or threat to peace. The answer is false. Conflict never leads to social change. The answer is false. The process of cooperation, competition, and conflict lie at the basis of all forms of social interaction. The answer is true. Please do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. And there is a video which explains you about the various forms of social interactions. So please do watch that for more information on the various types of social interactions happening in the society. Thank you.